Hello and welcome to the lesson. We're going to learn how to create hypertext links using HTML. We'll go through two basic attributes used for specifying links' behavior. At the end of the lesson, we'll focus on the appearance of the link. We can create a hypertext link in HTML simply by using the A element. The content of this element is the actual text that will be displayed in the website. Let's go through several attributes that specify behavior and properties of this element. The key attribute here is the href attribute. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Let's try to create a link that goes to Google. I'll type Google inside the A element. Next, I'll enter a corresponding address inside the href attribute. Let's check to see if the link works. As you can see, the word Google appeared in the website. Also notice that it is underlined. When we click the link, it redirects us to the address specified in the href attribute. Notice that Google loaded in the current window and replaced the previous website. I'd like the new website to open in a new tab so that the user doesn't leave our page after clicking the link. This can be achieved quite easily using the target attribute. The target attribute defines exactly where the page will open. In our case, we want the page to open in a new browser tab. To do so, I'll set the value of the target attribute to _blank. Let's try the link again. As you can see, the Google website now opened in a new tab, which is just what we wanted to achieve. Let's take a look at another useful attribute. It's the title attribute, used to add additional description to links. The description pops up in a small box a moment after mouse-overing the link. For example, I'd like the visitor to know that the link goes to a search engine website before they click the link. To do that, I'll add the title attribute and set the value to search engine. When you refresh the page and mouse over the link, a small description box with the title will appear. So far, we've been working with regular text links. I'll show you how to make them more interesting and attractive. One way is to use CSS. First, I'll paste a simple rule for the A element inside the style element in the header. By applying this rule, we can adjust the color and background of the text and set the border and the font. We can also create a button with a relief effect, meaning that the button will change its appearance when you mouse over it. When you refresh the page, you'll see that this new style is much more effective than just a plain text. Using images is a different way to enhance the appearance of links. The content of the A element won't be text, but another element, the img element, which is an abbreviation of image. After refreshing the page, you see that the text has been replaced with an image. Keep in mind that image links work in the same way as text links. To finish, I'll show you the use of the A element in practice. For example, let's take a look at the IBM website. Notice that the logo also works as a link to the IBM homepage. I'll use the Inspect Element tool, which is a standard part of the Google Chrome browser. Using this tool, we can actually see that the link is created by the A element and formatted by some additional CSS code. The animation of the IBM letters is actually a background image. As you can see, very effective results can be achieved by combining HTML links with CSS. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll look forward to seeing you the next time.